Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to track restaurant meals in MyFitnessPal application. So let's get started. Make sure that you're using the updated version. Tap the plus icon to add the foods to the desired meal. Click on log foods and in the search bar, enter the restaurant name or the specific dish that you consumed. For example, I'm writing the restaurant name. So you can click on the plus icon. After that, and select the meal timing, that is it lunch, breakfast or dinner. After that, the food has successfully been logged. So basically this FitnessPal application extensive database often include the popular restaurant items. If it is not there, what you can do is click on this, just go back again, go to this plus icon, click on log foods and here you will find an option of my meal. Click on create a meal over here. You can create the meal from here and then you can also go to my food and click on create a food over here, and then you can add the particular brand name or the restaurant name, the description, the servings, and you can find that in the my log section when you will search in the search bar. So this is how you can track the restaurant meals in MyFitnessPal app. If the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.